Hey, fifth grade All-Stars. This is Mr. Hoffman at you. Just going to talk about why we use estimation sometimes to find products. And it goes back to what I've been saying is math this year is about really understanding. It's not just doing the calculations, it's really thinking about the situations. So this is number 1 on page 121 of this lesson, which is lesson 3.2. If you need that reference. So look at this problem right here. This is telling us a situation about this guy named Michael, and we got to really think about what he's giving us and whether or not he's correct in his estimation by using our rounding strategy to make an estimate. So each egg carton holds 1 dozen eggs. Michael's chicken farm fills 121 egg cartons. He thinks that there were over 1,500 eggs. Is he correct? Use an estimation to find out. So let's look first at what they're giving us, and then let's figure out what they're asking us. So we know that each egg carton holds 1 dozen eggs. So 1 carton, I'm just going to put cart, holds 12 eggs, if you can't remember what a dozen is. So he thinks that he should have 1,500 eggs, and his farm fills a total of 120 egg cartons. So right now, you have repeated addition, right? We're adding 12 121 times, right? So that multiplication problem would be 121 times 12. But we're going to just estimate, so we don't have to have that exact answer. And we're going to think about how his estimation compares to our estimation and decide, is he overestimating or is he underestimating the total eggs he's going to get? Because, if he's underestimating, he's going to be getting a lot more money coming in as a farmer. If he's overestimating, that's going to impact his life, right? He's not going to have as much money as he thinks he has. So let's look at our rounding of these two numbers to really do nice, easy extended facts. Goes along with lesson 3.1, right? So 121, we're going to round that to the highest place value, the hundreds. We're going to look at the 2. That 2 tells me, is it going to stay low to 100, or are we going to bump that up to 200? Well, if you think of 120 on a number line, that's closer to 100, right? Again, looking at that 12, we're going to round it to the nearest tens. And that 2, again, is telling me, does this go to bump it up to 10 or 20? Well, if I think of a number line, 12 is closer to 10, right? Here's my number line. If this is 10, and if this is 20, 12 is probably going to fit right there, right? So this is going to be a 10. 100 times 10. That's pretty self-explanatory. I think all of you guys could count 110 times. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Or you can do your extended facts. 1 times 1 is 1. Add your zeros. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. So now I really got to think about his estimate. Was his estimate close? And I really think he overestimated it, right? Because we're getting a lot less in our estimation. He's got around 1,000. That is a good way to kind of decide. You can just say he overestimated. So we're going to say he overestimated. Something to think and keep in mind of where you round, though. 121 is closer to 100. We could have rounded this to 120 if you wanted to, and done 120 times 10. You have 120 times 10 would be 1,200. That also is another estimation. Both are correct. Both would be accepted. Both would tell us the same information, is that we are way under his 1,500 egg estimation. So it looks like our friend Michael here is thinking he's getting more eggs before those chickens lay them. I hope you enjoyed this mini lesson, and thank you for the hard work yesterday. I look forward to seeing what you do today.